Majority of the enterprises today are finding that their data protection measures have loopholes that allow hackers to target them easily, and their remediation or preventative process is slow or incomplete. Accelerite Sentient is a real-time security and compliance management tool for the endpoint systems. In this video, we will demonstrate how to keep track of enterprise security-related deviations with the help of Sentient's many inbuilt queries. The first example we will see is an undesirable process that could be siphoning off data from your endpoint, which is called, say, SQL data collector.exe. Let us type a query that says, get devices where process SQL data collector.exe is running with details. In just about 21 seconds, Sentient has detected one device out of 9,031 Windows devices that has this process running. Sentient provides segregation using several categories such as by device type, OS type, subnet, OS version, and device classification. Let us find the details of this system by going into the subnet and clicking on Remediate, which will kill the process. Hit Yes to confirm, and it's done. Now let's use the same query to verify whether the problem is resolved. We see that Sentient has successfully completed the detection and remediation within a few seconds. Another major indicator of an attack is any undesired change in registry values. Let's take a case where we would like to read a registry entry under HKey local machine. I'll type a query in the search bar to get devices where a registry key value pair exists and add with details to get additional details from the machine. Sentient quickly scans through thousands of devices and shows 3 devices where this registry value exists. We can drill down into each of these devices and get details by device type, subnet, IP address, MAC address, and OS. By clicking on one IP address, we get the exact details of the registry entry for the administrator to take action. Antivirus plays a crucial role in protecting endpoints against attacks. But what if some systems are running without an antivirus or running an outdated version or definition? Let's see how Sentient helps us identify such security deviations. In the search bar, we'll type a query that says, get devices where antivirus System Center Endpoint Protection is not installed. Here we get one device that doesn't have an antivirus software on it. Similarly, we can check the definition file antivirus software running on the endpoints by typing get devices where antivirus is without latest definitions with details. Here, it looks like all the 9031 Windows devices have outdated antivirus definition file. Such information is vital for planning and tracking your preventative measures against future attacks. We can check for the authenticity of executable files using the file hash by typing a query like get devices where a certain file hash is found in a location or drive with details. Similarly, we can also get such details using file name. Like before, you can drill down further using categories to get more details. An enterprise firewall acts as a major protection for most security-related threats. However, it is also common to have the firewall disabled for a software installation or on developer machines. To do a quick check, let's type get devices where firewall is disabled. The results show that over 100,000 devices have the firewall disabled, and incidentally, they are all Linux devices. These devices could be vulnerable to an attack and might need immediate attention and remediation. In this video, we saw a few examples how Accelerite Sentient empowers the IT team to safeguard all their endpoints from external access attempts using timely monitoring, detection, and remediation of critical security infrastructure configurations.